Hi. In this lecture, we'll learn about basics of digital marketing strategies. So, you may be a business or a brand, uh, either education institutes or real estate company or retail store, healthcare, hospital clinic, insurance company, a startup company, anything. It could be any business or brand, no matter what kind of businesses you're running. You may be from any sector or industry type, but you definitely want to achieve your business goals for marketing. That means every business has got its own marketing goals, and that's where the digital marketing comes into, right? So, uh, the marketing goals could be in various form. It could be in order to achieve the more awareness of your brand or products. It could be more branding and engagement. It could be more admissions. It could be in the form of more bookings, or it could be in the form of more footfalls, or in the form of more leads. So all these are the major marketing goal for any business or brands this worldwide. Now, based on the business products or services, these goals could differ. Either some businesses could have goals like more leads and awareness, whereas the other businesses may have the goals for their marketing, more awareness, branding, and engagement, and maybe for the footfalls. In case of retail businesses, let's say you're running B2B businesses or any consulting company, so your goals would be more awareness and more leads, right? uh, Suppose if you're running education institute or a training company, then your goal would be more awareness and more admissions. So that's how you can map the right goals for your business uh, or brands, right? So let's move to the next slide. So there are many communication medium, we'll just compare from the traditional communication medium to the latest communication medium now. So starting from TV advertising, we have got hoardings, we have got this digital marketing, we have got the radio advertising, and then we have got snail mail advertising. So the other advertising methods are, first of all, very expensive, and they're very non-targeted. Uh, if you want to reach your target audience, you could only reach out to them in a very narrowed segment. You can't just segment your audiences. But with digital marketing, you can actually segment your audiences. You can define who are your target audience and to whom you want to reach to in a very lesser price, and very effective price. So digital marketing is completely different. And it has a lot of uh, features which allows you to reach your most ideal customers on the internet. So digital marketing works completely differently, and that's why it works, as we say. So in order to define the digital marketing strategy, we have to follow four step approach. The point number one, we need to define the outcomes as a marketing goal, as we discussed earlier. The second, identifying the target audience. Who are your target audience to whom you want to sell your products or services? Number three, the digital touch points. So digital touch points mean which are likely platforms in the digital marketing which are highly likely to browse by your target audience. Like for an example, you're trying to target a student, so where you could find the students on digital platform. So you could find students on YouTube, you could find your students on social media or Google search. So you need to define the digital touch points where all you could reach your target audience. And the number four, right tools to reach out to them. So which are the right tools to reach out to your target audience and leverage your digital marketing strategies? So all this we will cover one by one in this entire course.